This is going to be a short one here, just a viewer request. How do I cut the wire for these candy boards? I mean, we make hundreds of them, and this is called a 1/2 inch hardware cloth. How do you cut that? Wire cutters? No. Tin snips? Well, you can, but I have hundreds of them to do. So what we do is we buy this hardware cloth in 100-foot long rolls, and I put them on this table, the end on the table, and I let the other end of the roll all the way down our driveway, and I cut it into pieces this size, which are the length of the candy board, and then from there I cut the width. And what do I cut it with? Not these. This electric metal shear, and I'll focus you in here close and I'll show you how I do this. First thing I do is take a little bit of the curve out of it, just a little bit, so it lays a little bit flatter. I've got a couple marks in the table here. This is for 8 frame, this is for 10 frame. I just line this up on the edge of the table. First one, and I flip it around. Line up for my second one. This will be the scrap, the off fall, and I'll just let it fall off the side of the table. Then the little ends that stick out, get rid of the sharp edges. Goes over on the pile. Trim the sharp edges off the other one. And onto the pile, and that's how we do it. So that's how we do it. This is made by Ironton. I think we got this at Northern Hydraulics or Northern Tool, I guess it's called. I've had this for several years, and of course it does cut sheet metal. It's very good for that, but it's also very good for cutting this hardware cloth. So just a quick one. People want to know how I cut all this hardware cloth, since we make hundreds of these. That's how I do it, not with wire cutters or tin snips. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up, always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.